Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I got something really special for you, and we're gonna try to create the dreamy effects that you see in some social media posts, and that's usually only achieved using certain cameras or using certain social media filters, but I'm gonna show you today how to do it in Photoshop. And for that, let's just select an image, the image that you want to work with, and let's just drag it and drop it on this icon, this plus icon, to create a duplicate. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna blur it out. You could use a lot of different blurs, but I just want to use the lens blur. And what we want to do right now is kind of blur out the features of the image, the facial features, and maybe a little bit of the folds. And I'm just gonna play with it around and see what works. Something like this. Maybe the focal distance a little bit like this. I don't want to make this too complicated. I'm just gonna press OK. If you want to learn about the different blur tools, then make sure to click on the link in the description. That's gonna take you to my course where I'm gonna describe this in a more detailed manner. Anyway, let's just continue with the effect. This step is what's gonna create the effect. Basically, we're gonna go to the blending options, and as you can see, we're already getting some different effects that you could use. This one, for example, this light and color is beautiful. I really like it, but it's a little bit more artsy, and what we're going for is maybe screen or maybe lighten. Usually these two work really well, maybe even soft light in some cases, but for now I'm just gonna choose screen. Let's go with screen. Of course, we could adjust the opacity. Let's zoom in. You could see that blurry effect that we created. Look at this side right here. You can see the difference, and it's already looking like a beautiful Instagram filter. And what we could do right now is create a color wash. Maybe we could use the gradient map. Let's see. Maybe we could work with the basics, and let's actually click in here to reverse it. Maybe we could use some oranges, maybe something like this. And then here, instead of a white, we could use a little bit more color. Just something like this. Maybe we could lower the opacity to create this summery effect. Or we could turn it off, for example, and use a color lookup. Just click somewhere and go down. You can see this creates the beautiful Y2K color scheme. I really like it. So it's a really simple effect that you could create in under 2 minutes. As you can see, the before and after. It looks like some trendy Pinterest or Instagram picture. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.